So I realized this morning I needed to change my cover for my social media. And when I went in to update the one that I had, it wasn't the right size. So I need to make a new one. And so I'm going to go in and use Canva and show you how I do it. So I went in and let me go back because let me start here. And I need a Facebook cover. So I went down and I looked and I looked and I decided that I liked the way that this one looked because I'm going to update it to fit my needs. Kind of like this one too, actually, now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one. This is different than what I did before. So I'm going to use this template. All right. So I have a new webinar coming up and it is called Winning the SEO Game. And I feel like winning needs to be bigger. So I'm going to make that oh, it doesn't let me just change that. What about that? Nope. So there's a couple different things I can do. I can do winning and SEO. I can center them, make them significantly bigger. I think actually, let's see, let's reduce down because I can change my line height here. Don't want to change that. Fix that right now. Line height need to reduce down. I guess I'm gonna do it like this. This is what happens sometimes when you're trying to do these things. That ends up taking a little longer. Okay, there we go. Now I can bring that back up. And I can add some more text here. Text. Add a heading. The end game. And I don't know if that's the font I want to use, but check it out there. All right, so I like how that looks. I'm going to say it's a free webinar on September 19th, 2020. And the website right there. That's going to be a little too big. Let's ungroup this. I need this to go a little farther. I also need this to be smaller so it all fits. Alright, this picture does not really fit what I want. So, photos. I'm actually going to search up SEO and see what comes up. I kind of like. Let's see what this one looks like. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. One more change I want to make. Color is actually this, in which case the text should probably be white. It matches better. It's a personal preference, but I just think it looks nicer. All right, I have that, so I'm going to download it, and I'm actually going to download it in the PNG format. Sometimes when you download in a JPEG or JPG, you get this weird sort of oh, what's the word I'm looking for? You get kind of weird lines around the words there. So I'm going to change the cover. I'm going to upload. This is the one I was trying to use. It was too big. So downloads right there. Wait for it to download. I don't need to really reposition it, so I'm going to save that. And it's all set. So now when people come, they'll see not only does it have matching colors, which is what I want, but they'll see my next promotion there, which is my next free webinar. Hopefully this was helpful for you in learning how to do a cover photo. If you guys have any other questions, please visit amberwheeler.com, where I've got great free trainings, I've got services available, and my blog has lots of great information on it as well for you and your small business.